Hello everybody, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and today I want to talk to you about the Anker Unibody 3-port USB and Ethernet hub right after this. I bought this 3-port USB and Ethernet hub quite some time ago, and really hadn't used it for a while, and so it's still in the box. And so I wanted to kind of show it to you because I was reading up on it, and there's some unique little things that can be done with it. It's your normal USB hub that we probably, you either have for your desktop or your laptop. This one, wow, look at this. It has a little card in here, and it says, happy or not happy? This is pretty good from Anker on that. It's got a welcome guide. Thank you very much. And then we have the product in itself. Let's just put this over here. Nice aluminum. It's all unibody, very nice. I got this from Amazon quite some time ago, and I'll give you the link on this, so if you're interested in getting, it's the Ethernet hub here with the 3.0 USB. This is the latest USB that they have right now on that. So I wanted to show you how this hooks up. Obviously, I mean, it's not rocket science, hello, but there are some unique things that we can do with it. So let me just show you what we're talking about here. So I have with me my MacBook, all right? I love my MacBook. We're gonna turn it on. And right now I have it on my network. As you can see, let me just open up the internet. Boom, we're on, all right? So I'm gonna quit this thing here, but this time I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna bring in the internet. So I have no internet because I've turned off the Wi-Fi on that there. And then I have my Ethernet cable. I'm gonna plug my Ethernet cable on here, and nothing's going on, obviously. But once I plug it in, you'll see there's a green light right there that it's telling me that's on, and you start to see lights flashing here. I don't know if you can see the lights flashing there. All right, see the lights flashing there, and voila, you got internet. All right, so as you can see, I have Ethernet internet going on. I have a USB thumb drive that I can use. I just want to let you know. I'm going to plug it in, and obviously, boom, it's in. This is nothing new, guys, okay? Nothing new is going on here, all right? We all know about this. This is not rocket science. You don't have to have an IT degree to get all this, but I just wanted to show you the Ethernet port, the availability of it going on this unibody, and the fact that you have the 3 USB ports on that, all right? Now, what's interesting though is that I can use this internet. Here, let me take this MacBook out. Take that out, close this up, and now I'm going to bring my iPad Pro. This is the 9.7, all right? Apple sold this adapter. It's a 3.0 USB and power to Lightning. And with this, they mainly sold this for the 12.9 MacBook Pro. But with this, I can have Ethernet going on here as well. And it's a little, so let's plug it in, all right? So this is my adapter, take that out. So I'm gonna plug this in. This is power, so I got this hooked up to my power. And so now, nothing's going on yet. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in here. Right. And obviously I have Wi-Fi going on here. Okay, so my is hooked up through my Wi-Fi. I'm going to put it on airplane mode. Okay, here's my little airplane mode. And then I'm gonna plug this in. Now, I should have a good connection going on here. And then, as you can see, it should start. Here's my connections. And all I have to do is refresh. And I have my connection going on here, all right? Now, the unique thing is that I could also, hello, USB drive. I'm gonna put it in here, okay? And it will read my USB thumb drive. You have full-on internet. Now, I do have the speed test app, so let's just see what kind of speed we have going on here. Okay, because and this is all through the internet, through the Ethernet port that I have here going on and hooking it up. So I'm getting a good download of 90 megabits per second. Right, 11, almost 11.95, 96, 97. Dude, that's excellent, excellent. 11.98 upload megabits per second. That's pretty good. All right, that's pretty good, guys, on that respect. Now, as well, you know, I think, well, will this work with my iPhone? So let's do that. All right. So right now, I have, okay, here's my Twitter account. I am going to put it on airplane mode. I'm gonna refresh, no internet. All right, let's see. Let's just unplug this and let's just plug it in here and see what we get. All right, here we go. We got our little signals here coming up. And I have internet on airplane mode. On airplane mode. Internet, all you can see. All right, I can play apps. Let me see if I got SpeedNet here as well. Here it is, SpeedNet. And let me see if I get the same. Preparing, test ping, there it is. This is on my iPhone through my Ethernet port. Getting connection 8090, 90.33 megabits per second. And my upload is 1197. This is 98. Dude, this is phenomenal. This is really good. 11.98 megabits per second on this particular thing. Now, in reality, I bought this this hub here for the ports, and I thought, you know what, I might need this down the road if I travel or you're in a hotel that doesn't have Wi-Fi or anything to that. You can hook up the Ethernet port, or you're in an office space where they don't have Wi-Fi or they have Ethernet ports. You just plug it in and you get your Wi-Fi. And I learned about the iPads and the iPhone that with this new adapter that Apple just brought about, made it possible. Apple did have another one, but this one is the 3.0 that they brought in, and this is kind of good. Well, guys, that's it on the Anker 3.0 USB and Ethernet Hub. If you like this video, guys, give me some likes, share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what other things that you'd like for me to review or talk about on the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you around on the next one.